Wagwan people, it's a boy Brandon here from Reggae Vibes Media. First and foremost, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all. And yeah man, you know say any of the vibes there, Reggae Vibes there, and tonight the vibes there, YUSH. And you know say a Christmas day. Yeah man, but before we continue, if you have not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share the video to everybody you know. But yeah man, the dogs them roll out, the woman they roll out, and just stay tuned for beer vibes. I'm not lie, the woman they got the curves in the way. Yeah man, beer vibes, stay tuned people.
Thank you. Far too kind. Yeah. Ready? Let's go. Can I get a do your more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. Not cool. What the hell are you waiting for? Me, there should be no more. So for one last time, make some noise. Get him, Jay. No pressure to go with me at. Y'all know what I'm working at. Can't none of y'all mirror me back. You hear me rap, cause my hands be rapping the prime. Young H, raps make you dead. I'm in Boeing jets, Global Express. Out the country, but the blue rebel still connect. On the low, got a triple deck. But when you done with the check, yeah. Grand open and grand closing. And your man won't crack the can open again. Who you gonna find open the head? Your plan is draw inspiration. Go see you can't replace him. Which one takes some do you want more?
First of all, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Thank you. Any New Year's resolution? What's one thing you're going to change about yourself for the New Year?
What I've always been doing. Work out, eat healthy, look good and travel.
Exactly. New Year, same goal. Keep fit, stay healthy, spend time with friends.
Okay, are you guys enjoying yourself?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's one of the best parties.
So for the people who aren't here at YUSH right now, what would you say to them?
You're missing out.
You need to get here next year.
Where are you?
YUSH 2022 is a good look when they are with the giant himself, the man called Richie Felix. Yeah, Mr. Richie Wagwan.
We are daily singer.
You know what they are?
How is Reggae Vibes?
Reggae Vibes Media, man.
Reggae Vibes Media. You don't know what they are, YUSH. I want one of nice vibes. You don't know. Best of the 90s and early 2000s. Then the vibes loud.
Richie, it's a good year for you. You've been touring, you're all over the place. You never yet lukewarm, you're still hot. What it's like to be a DJ from them time until now and still relevant?
But you don't know how to work with the time and go with everything where I go on. You understand? You have to be consistent. And you don't know. You don't have to be too push up. You see me? Sometimes you have to be seen and not heard. And you don't know. I say you have to keep your thing maintained and hold the vibes. So, Reggae Vibes, you know the thing go. That's how you do it.
All right. You have any season greetings you want to send to all your fans all over the world?
Yeah, big up everybody. All of Canada, big up. All of America. The whole of England. All of the island them. And the whole of Jamaica, big up.
One and only Richie Felix, you don't know what they are YUSH, one of the resident DJ. Him hot, son's a big boy.
That is it.
Richie Felix.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Any New Year's resolution?
Money. Right. What time?
What's the main thing that you're going to change about yourself for the New Year? Anything you want to work too hard?
Just more life, more fun. Goodness.
Let me tell you why Miss Obedient.
Big up to everybody. Big up to all the sponsors, Coca-Cola, Rare Nephew, Starlight, Barcode, Boom. So badly. Now when I get Sesame Street in that color, I take me a card. We are going to step away from the bigger right now, walk that. Time again when go dance and change. All who see them a say that they die. All my well shots are my fans. Everybody we follow one. But anyway, what me say, who no feel say? What me say, who no feel say? What me say, oh, what me say, who no feel say? What me say, hold it. Me say like nobody.
All right. Are you going to Dream Weekend? We have a Christmas gift for everybody who going Dream Weekend this year, 2023.
I want to go.
All right. So if you're planning on going Dream Weekend for 2023, Dream Weekend have a massive discount for you. If you buy your ticket between now and next year.
No.
As in now and the 1st of January, the discount code is XMOS. Go on Dream Weekend website and check it out. And if you decide to book, just type in XMOS and you're good to go.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, when may I get it?
And just give me the code. The code is XMOS. Don't tell nobody, so I tell you.
No, repeat it.
I just gave you the code. The code is XMOS. XMOS. Make sure you book now. XMOS, that's the code. If you want to get a special discount for 2023, and remember, everyone is a VIP at Dream Weekend this stage. Right now, we are YUSH 2022, the final run for this year. Yo, DJ Banker, I must say, you have a magnificent year. You dominate the whole of this year. What it's like to be a hot DJ from them until now? You're still relevant, right, Joe?
Honestly, I just hard work and dedication, you know. You get me, I come from because the Bible says about the sweat of your bro, you shall eat bread. And you don't know, we just put in the work. And the people are react to the thing. People are gravitate to the thing. So right now, I just love alone.
Any season greeting for your fans and your family?
Yeah, but I just want to say big up Mummy, big up my baby mother, big up my son who just born, and big up all of my fans and family and friends. Reggae vibes, man, big up on yourself. That is it.
So we are YUSH 2022, the final run for this year. Right now we're there with the one and only, the Sauce Boss. Welcome, my brother.
I'm there for all our vibes. What are you doing?
All right, Sauce Boss. You're dominating 2022. It's a good look for you. What can the fans expect from the Sauce Boss for 2023 and beyond?
More sauce, more good music. That's all.
All right, what are you working with? Any upcoming tour, any collab?
Only for collab. Same person I working from day one. Chuckstar, big up the whole Chuckstar. Big up the whole Connecticut and big up the whole of Florida.
Right now, I see you have a good time, you enjoy yourself. You have brave, your table look good. What more can you do?
Nothing else, just enjoy your life. One way up.
Alright, do you have anybody want to shout out some Christmas greetings, season greetings?
Big up the whole of Jamaica, big up everybody who support me.
You look, hello, don't be shy, you look lovely. Are you enjoying the vibe?
Yes.
Yeah, I like your style, I like your swag.
Thank you.
The first time at YUSH?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think about Dream Weekend last year? You want to go back to Dream?
Yes.
Alright. If you plan on going to Dream Weekend for 2023, Dream Weekend have a massive discount for you.
I don't know what your feelings are, my friend. What your feelings are? Welcome to YUSH.
When I enjoy yourself?
Yes, vibes is great.
Oh, my bad. First and foremost, Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry?
was saying Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas. It's a great way to start the Christmas.
And what are your expectations for the night?
Pardon?
What are your expectations for the night?
A great party, no talking, just fair dancing.
And what are your expectations for the night?
Just having a good time.
What are your expectations for the night?
Repeat?
What are your expectations for the night?
Oh, no expectations.
That's what? Alright. You have anybody who know one big up?
Big up everybody in Jamaica. Everybody. Merry Christmas to everyone in Jamaica. People who want big up mommy. And everybody at my workplace. Remember them. Oh, and my friends that couldn't be here.
So you still know nobody where you want big up? Yeah, no, sir. Alright, thank you guys and enjoy the rest of your night.
All right.
Alright, thank you. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your night.